In West Des Moines, this is Iowa Live.
We have a hero standing next to me, as in a tire hero. Tom Rice, how are you, sir?
Good, Lou. Thanks for having me.
Tell us about Tire Heroes, because this is a very unique service here in the Des Moines area that you're going to want to know about. Tell us about Tire Heroes.
You bet. It's a convenience service, so we will bring new tires right to your driveway, your work parking lot, your RV lot where you've got your camper or trailer. Heck, we've even done tires out at Saylorville for boat trailers.
Oh, I'm sure you do. And that's the next question. Let's talk about the kind of tires that you replace, because it runs the gamut here, right?
It sure does. We do everything except for the largest semi tires.
Okay.
So everything from your lawn tractor, and we'll go all the way up to...
Where were you about a month ago? I could have used you. I didn't know about
it. It is. Those little tires are difficult to take off and put back on, aren't they?
Yeah. So from lawn tractor tires all the way up to like truck tires.
Like your big bread truck, FedEx truck, and all
Sure.
that. We do those too. And so with those bigger trucks, of course, we do with fleets. But of course, if you've got a car, we can do your Prius. We can do your Corvette. We can do your pickup truck.
And how is this done? Let's take a look here. Look at the rigs that pull up here. That's a really nice size van that you have here with the extended roof. And open up the doors. You have everything you need to change tires inside that rig, don't you?
Yes, sir, we do. And those are full service tire mounting and balancing machines. Full-sized, I mean, and it's a full-sized compressor in it. We've got jacks. We've got all of your
That's the same kind of tire machine you're going to find in a shop.
Oh, absolutely, 100%, 100%. We've even got one of our vans that has a road force balancer, which is a high-end balancer.
Okay, actually, we could show that next video here. We could show that, because I believe that's what you're talking about, is where it shows the balancer and spins the tire.
Yeah,
is what you're talking about here. And look at it; it's a little bigger, mobile unit there. But look at that, is a decent-sized tire.
That is.
You guys are dealing with.
You betcha. That is a big pickup truck tire, oversized.
Yeah.
And we can do much larger than that. And we go all the way up to a 38-inch tire right in the truck.
Now let's talk about tires. Okay.
Yes.
What about brand? Let that video keep going here for a little bit, but talk about the brands of tires that you have.
So we literally have any brand imaginable. We access to all of them. There's 3 major tire distributors in the United States, and we pull from all of them. We get excellent pricing with them, which of course we can pass on to our customers then too.
Now, speaking of pricing, a lot of times these big tire manufacturers, they have great rebates that go along with it. Now, what about those?
And we partner with them on every one of those too. So if they've got a rebate going on, we're able to offer that also.
Okay. Now, we also see tire changing ability here, and you can swap tires out. Talk a little bit about that. You said you have a customer that swaps out his tires during the seasons, right?
He does. His winter and summer tires. He's got 4 vehicles, and every fall we go out, and every spring we go out and swap him from his summer to his winter tires, and vice versa.
All right. Now, what about fleet vehicles? Because there's a lot of companies out here that need a regular service when it comes to tires.
Absolutely, absolutely. We have quite a few fleets, ranging everything from delivery fleets to HVAC, electrical, and we go right on the job site and swap those out for them, so they never take their trucks out of.
I like the fact that last little video there, we saw that you guys were torquing the lug nuts as they went back on there. That's really important, so you don't overdo it.
100%. I am all about safety.
Yeah.
We use an impact to just barely get the lug nuts on, and then we hand torque everything and then go back over it again to make sure that is correct.
And this is something that, this is, to be real honest, this is really a pain to do this if you don't have the right equipment. And the thing is, you have the right equipment, and you bring that equipment to wherever you are.
Absolutely, we do. We 100%. We can even do repairs and everything right on site.
Wow.
Too. So there's nothing with your tires and wheels that we can't do on site.
Okay, so the simplest thing, tireheroes.com. What about a phone number? Just put it in your phone right now. In case you ever need this service, you can give them a call.
Sure.
Okay.
515-985-5050. Every phone call is answered by a TIA certified technician, which means the Tire Industry Association. So that way you're talking to somebody that knows what they're doing.
All right, they know what they're doing. They are the Tire Heroes. Tom, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you back here tomorrow for another installment of Iowa Live. Have a great day, everybody.